However, I am going to create the designs. I will use the curve here. Make another design here. Use the filters. So there we are. Made another shapes. So we will find the designs here to use a shape. Explore the different options. Made a paint again. I will try the different designs here we have to use the pattern stamp here. Also add a design there. So we will take the shapes. Add another paint here we have. So there is another shape. Using the pattern stamp here we are using there.